When you have a dog that smashes containers or grabs hides, it's stressful and it makes the trialing experience a little bit more unpleasant. So my goal today is to help you see a way through it and hopefully find your way to really nice alerts and things that you don't have to stress so much about. So some of the topics that we're going to cover is what behavior is typically faulted. So we'll just look at some videos really quick. What does the behavior happen, or why does it happen? Because the why is actually the key piece. It's how we're going to be able to solve it. This example is a very novice team. This was their first time in advanced containers. And you could see as she's going around the circle, she's standing on a cold container. Handler's asking her to get off, but the dog isn't super clear about the criteria. The dog doesn't know exactly what she should do. Here we got to the hot container and look at her back feet. She's going a 2-on 2-off position, right? And we do those kinds of things because it's a default position for that dog. I normally recommend going with an eye contact route, nose touch. The nose is interacting with the hide somehow because that is something they can do from any position. If they're down on the ground, if they're sitting, if they're standing. If the criteria that you have is for the nose at source, perfect. That is much easier to work with on a longevity kind of platform. All right, so here's just hide placement, just so that we understand where that hide is placed. And I want you to see, I don't care he doesn't put his nose on it, because that is not the goal of this training session. The goal of this training session is for me to interrupt. So here, I'm just gonna freeze or slow it down because he moves a little fast. It's hard to use him as a demo. Okay, so here he's investigating, he's working odor. Just gonna fast forward until he gets to my lovely chair, which is back here. The hide is under that corner. We've got catching odor. Ooh, we got a flip. And yes, he's not done. I don't care. I'm interrupting.